make by having raised wheels and to carefully tune and manipulate the rest of the day to your reverse run.
Boarding guests, please step carefully into the seats directly in front of you. There should be no more than 4 guests per row. Once seated, please pull down on the lower black platform.
Alright guys, we're on Pompeii. My loose articles are safe in a locker, but I'm not. Rocked by the Roman rapids, and now it's time to escape from Pompeii. I don't think it's that high up. Earth tremors. What's this? Thing. No. I wish I could see. Oh, there's... There was all of this in here. Wow. No! Son of the thing! I jumped at the bottom. Wow! I think the only part of me that got wet was my glasses. That was a great ride. There was a story. I didn't know what was going on in there.
I think it burned off my eyebrow.
Skip platform. Platform clear.
Let's try to find the one where she was talking about.
Welcome back. Once the boat has come to a full and complete stop and the lap bar is raised, please exit carefully to your left side. Please check your seat for any personal belongings and gather any articles left in the station. Thank you.